$30,000 Disney Cruise Penthouse Suite Tour.
Okay, Aiden, this is actually bigger than the last one we saw. So right here, dining table, where you can sit. Wait, is there something back here? What?
Moana!
Oh, I know Moana over there, but so I think over here you can order something and they can make it for, it's like a little kitchen area. This is pretty cool. And then you can just sit here and eat. And look at this living room, Aiden. I want to sit on this couch.
No, I was sitting
Oh my God, it's so big and so comfy. Right. And then look, Aiden, there's a bar back here.
A bar?
Yeah, it's a cigar right there. I can mix up something. Here, sir, here's your drink. All right, come on, let's check out this way. Let's see what's in here. So in here, wow, it's just like a little hangout area. It's got like couch and a place to hang out in here.
It's a den.
Moana, I know, there's another Moana over there. And then, what's in here?
Whoa.
Oh, the bathroom.
2 sinks.
Wow, that's a big bathroom. Look at that. Wow. All right, come on, let's go out this way. And then there's a sink right here. Oh, look, Aiden, Dad's favorite.
Water, please.
For wine.
Yeah.
Wine storage. Come on, all right, we're gonna go upstairs now. Let's see what's upstairs. You're gonna lead the way?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Whoa.
Wow, we start with the left or the right? Yeah, start this way, Aiden. Come on. So, first of all, this is absolutely beautiful. And then come on this way. There's one bedroom. There's a bedroom up here. Seashell. I love all the little details that they have in here. There's a bedroom, and then over here is a closet. The closet is not as big as the other one, but it's a pretty decent sized closet. So, come this way. Let's show the closet. Okay, so come check out how big this bathroom is, guys. Come on. This is a big, for a cruise ship, this bathroom is huge. It goes all the way back here. Yes.
That's huge.
This is a huge bath for a cruise ship. This is literally like the size of our RV. I'm exaggerating, but, and then over here is the toilet. If I had all this space, I don't even know what I would do with it. I love all the gold accents everywhere, and it's just beautiful. All right, and then we're gonna go on this side.
Vanity table.
Did we open here?
No.
What?
No.
There's another bedroom in here. Yes, there's a bedroom in here. Wow, look at that. Wow, and then look, the view. So this is really cool because you can see downstairs, and then if you look this way, you can see outside. So you see everything that's happening outside and downstairs. Wow. And guys, you know what's here, right? A TV! So you push the button and a TV comes up and you can watch while you're in bed. All right, come on, let's check out the bathroom this way. Because I know there's a bathroom. Another tub? This bathroom has a tub.
There are like 4 tubs in this.
I mean, like, you can never run out of tubs. Like, if you love having baths, this is the room for you.
Yeah.
So if Aiden's too busy in this tub and doesn't want to get out, that's okay because there is a
Million other tubs.
there's a million. Well, there are like 2 other tubs right there. A million other tubs. All right, let's check out what's in here. Oh, shower.
Shower.
And then on the other side is the toilet.
Toilet.
And then this way is the toilet. Okay.
One again.
I know. Continuing on. All right, let's open this door and come to the left. So we haven't gone this way yet. Go ahead, Aiden. So if you come out this way, there's another. Oh, okay, so this is perfect for families because this is the kids' room. Aiden, this is your room right here.
Yes.
We've got 2 bunk beds. There's a TV you can watch. And guys, there's another bathroom in here. One of the things I love about this suite is there are 3 rooms and 3 bathrooms. This is big too. If you've got a big family, I know Moana. So if you've got a big family, this is what you should book. I like it.
Me too.
So, can we stay here next time?
I don't know if I
Can
can
you
book that.
can you
video.
book it for me, please?
I know.
Can you pretty please? But anyway, love it.